Mr. Allen, one of the pieces of information in your testimony which I have received is a letter to a truck driver, and the letter from KBR, Halliburton, Kellogg Brown and Root, and it says, "I hope this finds you well and enjoying a swift recovery." It says, this form authorizes me to, he's sending a form, this authorizes me to share your medical records with the Pentagon Review Board for the purposes of awarding you the Secretary of Defense Medal for the Defense of Freedom. It's an honor bestowed on rare occasion to government contractors who are wounded in hostile acts while serving in on a government contract. You most certainly would qualify. I'm working to ensure that you receive this much-deserved piece of recognition. And then attached to that, on top, it says Kellogg, Brown and Root. It's titled Use and Disclosure of Protected Information. Number 9 says the following. They're asking the truck driver to sign this. Number 9 says, "Release. I agree that in consideration for the application for a Defense of Freedom Medal on my behalf, that on behalf of myself, my heirs, executors, and so on, I release, acquit, and discharge, and do hereby release, acquit, and discharge KBR, all KBR employees, the military, and their representatives, collectively and individually with respect to and from any and all claims and any and all cause of action of any kind or character, whether known or not unknown, I may have against them which exists at the date of this authorization." So it looks to me like Halliburton or KBR has sent a letter to truck drivers, says we are intending to submit your medical records to the Pentagon Review Board for the purpose of awarding you the Secretary of Defense Medal for the Defense of Freedom. And in order for us to send the medical records, we want you to sign this release. And number 9 on the release, in rather small type, would be they would be signing away a release that acquits and discharges and releases and acquits and discharges all KBR, all employees for virtually any act, known or unknown. Is that's what the way this reads? That is almost unbelievable to me that a company would do that. This particular one is addressed to Mr. Stannard.
Yes, sir.
Do we know, has this gone to other truck drivers?
I'm looking into that, Your Honor. I mean, Senator, one of the things I've not been able to do is take any depositions. And in your role as oversight, the reason I've been stopped is Halliburton is claiming immunity from prosecution in this case. And currently, for the second time, has stayed my case while they move to dismiss it, not on the merits, regardless of their conduct, regardless of the facts. They are saying they are the equivalent of the military, and we cannot move forward. In that letter, that letter says it is a medical release form. They mislead the truck driver, tell them it's a medical release form, and we're going to supply your records to the Pentagon so you can receive a government medal, which was created on 9/11, the Defense of Freedom Medal. And then they have, to an uneducated person, a release of liability included within it. And I can't find out because I can't take any depositions.
That is an almost unbelievable piece of paper.